Restore confidence and quality of life. At Climax Andrology, we specialize in testicle replacement surgery, helping men regain confidence and improve their quality of life. Whether you have lost a testicle due to trauma or illness, such as testicular cancer, we are here to provide support and solutions. The procedure. Our testicle replacement surgery involves replacing the lost testicle with an implant that closely matches the natural one. This minor surgical procedure is typically performed by a urologist and can include replacing either one or both testicles. The surgery usually takes around an hour and is done under general anesthetic. Recovery and success. Depending on your job, you may need to arrange a few days off work post-operation. The procedure is highly successful, and the replacement testicle is similar in size to the natural one, ensuring a natural appearance. Additional treatments. We can also combine testicle replacement surgery with other treatments, such as penile enlargement, in the same surgical session. Get in touch. If you'd like to learn more about testicle replacement surgery or begin planning your procedure, please contact us today. We will thoroughly explain the process and address any questions or concerns you may have. Take the first step toward regaining your confidence and improving your quality of life with Climax Andrology. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.